Are you looking for healthy breakfast recipes to help with weight loss? Look no further. Here are 5 delicious and easy recipes to start your day off right. First up, we have ginger shots. These powerful little drinks are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Just blend ginger, lemon, and a touch of honey for a quick and energizing morning boost. Next, try overnight oats. Simply mix oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and your favorite fruits in a jar and let it sit overnight. In the morning, you'll have a nutritious and filling breakfast ready to go. For a savory option, whip up some avocado toast. Smear ripe avocado on whole grain toast and top with a sprinkle of sea salt and red pepper flakes. It's a delicious and satisfying way to start your day. Craving something sweet? Bake a batch of homemade biscuits using whole wheat flour, almond milk, and a touch of honey. Enjoy them warm with a side of fresh fruit for a guilt-free indulgence. And last but not least, don't forget about smoothie bowls. Blend your favorite fruits and veggies with yogurt and top with nuts, seeds, and granola for a colorful and nutritious breakfast option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips.